Hello, my followers, especially grade 11 and 12. Let us look at this trig identity. We want to prove that the left-hand side will be equal to the right-hand side. What we do is we take the more complicated side, which is the left-hand side. In this case, our left-hand side is equal to 1 over cos theta minus cos theta over 1 plus sine theta. We have a fraction where we can just find the lowest common denominator, which is a composite factor of this and this. Now, we then divide cos theta into the whole thing, or we can just say this multiplied by that. We are going to have 1 open 1 plus sine theta, and then minus, then this multiplied by that. This gives us cos squared theta. We remove the brackets, we have 1 plus sine theta minus cos squared theta all over cos theta open 1 plus sine theta. Alright, we can write 1, remember there is an identity that says sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So I can replace 1 by sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. That is now plus sine theta and here minus cos squared theta all over cos theta open 1 plus sine theta. Now this one is the same as 1. But why did I take this? It will now make things easier. When I say cos squared minus cos squared, that will go. So I remain with a simpler expression. So this and that will go. I remain with sine squared theta plus sine theta all over cos theta open 1 plus sine of theta close. This is equal to, if I factor out sine theta in the numerator, I will have 1 plus sine theta. I have reversed here. Sine theta is outside, so 1 plus sine theta, or sine theta plus 1, which is the same as that, divided by cos theta open 1 plus sine of theta. This is a common factor which will divide. I will now remain with sine theta over cos theta, but there is an identity that says sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. So my left hand side is tan theta if you simplify this. My right hand side is also tan theta, and that does the proof. And then, very importantly, normally they would say for what values or values of theta is the identity undefined. What you simply do is you focus on the denominators. Remember, a fraction is undefined if its denominator is equal to 0. So you are now simply addressing the denominators. The expression is undefined if cos theta is equal to 0. And then you solve for theta here. Obviously, theta shall be equal to 90 degrees. And then also this one, you let it be equal to 0. This will be sine theta equal to -1, in which case theta shall be 270 degrees. So these values of theta will make the denominator equal to 0, and consequently the whole expression becomes undefined. This question is also very common in examinations. Thank you very much.